Alright, so got my kid's Grand Prix Gtp here and got it up on lift. Now I'm going to show you how I converted the hard line into AN style fittings real quick. And I ditched that GM plastic line because I needed to upgrade the fuel system. This can be done on multiple different vehicles. It doesn't just apply to this vehicle. So, and I'll go through a little bit of rundown real quick on the AN style fittings, how to size it up and etc. So this one here is a 5/16 line, and this is a 3/8. So I wanted to get a 5/16 hard line adapter to AN style fitting, and then I ran a 3/8 AN6 fitting on both of the lines there. This one is a 3/8, a hard line, of course, fitting there up to an elbow on both of them. Again, both of those are 3/8, which is an AN6. AN style fittings go from AN1, meaning a 1/16 of an inch, up to and beyond. AN16 is a 1 inch. So each AN number represents a 1/16 of an inch. This one here is an AN10, 5/8 of an inch. It was just on an old Mazda rotary that I had, and well, it needed some flow going to it, so it's a little bit larger. But you can see here, and what I did with this is I connected the pieces that I could connect. I didn't want to connect this compression fitting down because I didn't want to crush it and make it useless, so it wouldn't fit on that, of course. But I did put this snug and everything and get my measurement where I wanted it to go before cutting that hard line where it needed to fit properly and give it that correct angle. And I'll show you here in a second. Same thing on this side here. That way both of them would come out well, right about where the stock, fuel lines ran and everything else without interfering with anything, of course. So, alright, so at the top now, and you can see the fuel line right here. That's one of them, and the other fuel line hiding behind there. That's right there. Goes across the top. Little zip tie holding it together to all the other fun stuff there. And that's your supply and return down there. So that's how I got it to the AN style fittings and got rid of that cheapo plastic GM fuel line, everything else. Hope you enjoy. Peace.